Hi there, I'm Beth, and today I want to step back in time a little bit to share with you my process of sewing, altering, and weathering a smart doll skirt. I started this project on Halloween, but have held on to it because I was sending this smart doll skirt to my lovely friend Magical Girl Kit Kat Gaming. She was so super kind to help me out when we were all working on our video game character collaboration with My Lady Disdain and Enchantarium. She sent me a blank head to use for my very first face-up, which was amazing of her. She is a prolific and mega talented face-up artist herself. Be sure to check her out if you haven't yet. I'll link her channel in the description. You will find this sewing pattern bundled with another shorter skirt on my website, also linked below if you fancy sewing one yourself. While choosing fabrics, I decided to include a pair of shoes for her too. The sewing pattern for these flats are also available for free on my site. So I've looked out some fabrics. Kat mentioned that one of her smart dolls dresses in cottagecore or Mori style clothes, so I thought this would suit her perfectly. I'll need to cut 2 back panels and 4 full panels for this skirt, as well as waistband pieces. I grab my sketchbook and will start to plan out how I can make this skirt even more cottagecore and unique for Kat. Aw, I had just made this little Tilly frog from a pattern by Philippa, little Matilda Atelier. Isn't she adorable? I'll add a working patch pocket and a faux patch too. I'll weather the hem to make it look worn and add lace to the shoes. I double up my fabric, a dusty pink fabric with tiny flowers, and cut out the pieces using a rotary cutter. Here they all are, ready to sew. I've joined all the panels together and have used an overlocking foot on my regular Singer sewing machine to overlock all the seams. I pin in place my pocket and decorative patch. Here they're sewn on, and I've tucked in some lace under the pocket for decoration and added some to the patch. I also hand-stitched round the patch with embroidery floss. Here you see the skirt hem is made up of many straight sections. I'm fussy cutting sections of lace to fit them and pinning before I stitch the lace all round the hem. The lace hem is secured. Now I'll join the waistband pieces. One lower hem is overlocked in advance. I'll sew round the sides and top, flip it right side out and attach. I've closed in the rest of the back seam and added on a snap fastening. I do have a standalone video tutorial for this skirt in my Smart Doll playlist if you want more detailed step-by-step instructions. Now I want to add some delicate lace trims to these deep red flats. There. I can model them with these resin feet forms from Enchantarium. I think the shoes look really cute now. Before I start weathering, I've sewn on some antiqued brass charms, including keys, to the side of the pocket. To weather the skirt and tone down the brighter lace, I'll soak the skirt and dip the lower part in some hot water with a tea bag. This process is called tea staining. Here the skirt is drying. We can see the lace is really toned down now. A soak in vinegar helps to fix the colour before rinsing it out again. Another tip to make skirts look worn or weathered is to soak or wash them and scrunch them up like this. I use a towel to help wring out the water to dry quicker. Hang the skirt up to dry and the wrinkles should remain. I tried out one final thing off camera, which was using pan pastels and a soft makeup brush to add a slightly darker level of weathering to the very bottom of the hem and a couple other strategic places. I was really delighted with how these came out, and I'm so glad that Kat was too. Please check out her lovely live stream linked below, where she opened my parcel along with a number of others from Smart Doll creators. I'll leave you with a few final shots and a big thank you and welcome to my newest patrons. Thank you for joining us, Valerie and Mary. I do hope you enjoyed today's video and are enjoying the whole festive season. I'd love to know what you thought of my project, so please leave a comment below. Until next time, take care. Bye!